Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at parental rights, USD 405, and in Kansas. Parents have every right to be a part of the decision-making process for the team and their child's education. Who can be considered a parent? To be considered a parent, you need to be a legal guardian, biological parent, an adoptive parent, and parents acting as other parents filling in as that parent. Children under the age of 18 aren't meant to have to make these decisions for their education. That's why they have the parents to help them out. Students and parents are entitled to the following: services that meet the state board, have a proper IEP in place, a public education, and that include the appropriate educational setting for their child. IEP meetings. Parents should have prior notice to the meeting. The data should be given to them. The goals that are met or not being met. What is the plan in place? Any interventions being made, modifications, parental consent, and signatures by all the parties. Written consent. Written consent is needed from the parent for any initial evaluation, any reevaluation, additional or subtraction of services, and the placement or educational time changes involved in the process. If you're 18 or gifted, if you're 18, no longer you need a parent permission under the gifted guidelines. Not under 5, no extended school year, no least restrictive environments, and no disciplinary protections are involved. Quick follow-up, act responsibly. Always notify the parents, understand your legal aspects and rights, and get those signatures. Thank you again, and I hope you learned something throughout our short video today.